Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm back in the video. Guys, what's in today? Well, don't really know what the hell this is gonna be, but yeah, intro. Love intros for really fun things, you know. So, yeah, I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Alright, guys. So, this is like right after the other clip, whatever. So today, I have online. My district went online for all of this week. All the week right after vacation, after Christmas break, whatever. And so I got really bored in class today, online class, because let's be honest, online class you really don't really do anything, and it can get really boring really fast, and you can get really distracted, especially when you're at home. I get really distracted anyways in school because I'm always thinking about other things, but especially when I'm at home. So yeah, this is what I was doing. This is the most annoying noise. This is how you know I was just this bored that I was making this I was continuously making this noise. So under this is where I am. This is my desk, right? Where I put Chromebooks up here for school or whatever. My school Chromebook or whatever. And you see this little thing? It's a little magnet, right? It's a little magnet I found, or it's just like laying here for some reason. This is a metal piece right under my desk. Like it's like a metal bar or whatever. And let me see if I can get it going. I was flicking it down, and it was making the most annoying. You could see it a little bit, but that. I'm gonna turn off. Okay, I need to turn off this TV, but I'm not even watching it. A, copyright. B, let's not. I'm not even watching it, so it's wasting power and stuff. So, wasting time, wasting money. So, let's see if I can get a good one. Dude, I had like super loud ones, bro. Oh my god, it was so annoying. I was annoying myself doing it, but it was better than paying attention because it was just super boring. I'm not going to mention any teachers or any classes in specific, even though I want to, but that's just not going to happen today, so. Hold on. Oh, I had such good ones, man. It got so loud sometimes, I swear. I got them to get so loud. I wish I had filmed something then and there where I was actually making the loud ones. Because these are not even close to as annoying. I had one that was pretty. Imagine doing that. That's what I was doing for literally 2 hours of this boring class. So that's what I was doing. That was fun. I will just stay there for tomorrow because it's probably going to be good tomorrow, if I'm being honest. Just being honest, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, that's the story behind the most annoying sound known to man. I'll have to get a good one for you guys. I'll throw it in the video if I can get it going, but, yeah, I'll catch you in a little bit. There we go. That was a good one. Alright, so it's a little bit later. I did end up getting a light on, so, and put up my lights so you guys can see things. Lights, you guys can see things, you know. It's always good to have light, so, you guys can see things. Light, fun. Alright. So, as you guys probably know, I've probably mentioned it a million times on this channel, but I'm a huge David Ortiz fan, right? One of my favorite players, probably my favorite player of all time, just because, he's great. So, I'm pretty sure I have the most David Ortiz memorabilia than anyone. That's probably not true, but I think I probably have, at least I have a lot of it. So this is one of the framed picture here. One Mr. Framed picture. Move down here. Got the big poster. Another framed picture. So that's just the one wall. Trust me, there's more. Come over here. Got his card. I mean, there's more people's cards, but his card is right here. So that's cool. Got another one of his cards with a official ball. Official Major League Baseball. Got another one of his cards. And another picture. We can't ignore him, but we got him right here. That's the important thing. So, I swear, dude, I had the most David Ortiz memorabilia going to man. But I don't know, there's probably gonna be some person who has their whole room is just painted with his face. But hey, not judging, so whatever. You do you. But Yeah, so I'm gonna... Yo. Alright, okay, that was weird. Someone just made a noise downstairs. You guys probably... I don't know if you guys heard it, but... Who knows? I'll catch you guys in a little bit, though. Alright, so... You guys do remember... I haven't talked about this in a while because I didn't want to get really old. Channel and stuff. Hold on, I need to do this real quick. Yeah. Alright, that thing was being annoying. So you guys remember the bee problem we have? There's still been bees up here somehow, dead bees and stuff. But you guys have probably seen this before. But look at this. We have to put so much duct tape. This is all duct tape, bro. Like, look at this. All this duct tape, man. This is on a windowsill. Like, this is all duct taped up. Somehow bees still get in. Like, same thing over here. Complete duct tape. And over to the other side of the room, where there's more windows and stuff. Oh yeah, there's crawl holes in my room or whatever, because I'm in the attic or whatever. All duct taped up. Go over here. All duct taped up right over my bed. Window right over my bed, and the skylight right over my bed, and the other one over here is all duct taped up. Like, you guys get the point. I swear, oh yeah, this is a good place to seal them. But I could have been coming through, we don't really know. All duct tape. So like my whole room's duct tape at this point. But then again, we don't really know. They still get in somehow. The thing behind my AC is duct taped up, so there's no way they can get through there. So we, at this point, really don't know what. Jeez, man, we don't really know where they're coming from, how they're kind of getting in. But yeah, that's the story behind that, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Oh, wow, my camera's just gonna fall. Hello? Okay. Tripod finally worked. Anyways, so I found this thing, right? It's a Hot Wheels. I used to collect these a lot. I think it was like 3 years ago, but I found it, right? But it's some special kind of Hot Wheels, a Hot Wheel ID. I haven't even taken this. People just love to walk upstairs as soon as I start talking. As soon as I start recording. But, so, it's a Hot Wheels ID, right? So what is it? I haven't even taken out the box. Apparently you scan it into this app or whatever, and you can drive this car in the app or whatever. I don't know, I got this a long time ago when I used to play Hot Wheels, or when I used to do with Hot Wheels stuff, even though I don't anymore. This thing you scan on the bottom. Let me know if you guys want me to try this out in the next video. Just a thought. I probably won't, especially if you guys don't want me to. But if you guys really do want me to, I will. Just a thought out there for a video. Again, it's just a thing. Like, I haven't even opened this box, like, ever, the whole time I've had it. It's been like 3 years. Just a thought for a video if you guys do want to see it. I doubt you guys will, but if you do, let me know. If there's enough of you who want to see it, then I will do it. Personally, I don't even really care, but if there's enough of you that want to see it, then I will for sure be sure to make a video with that at some point. So yeah, that's cool. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so that was a weird way to enter back into the video, but so so I got this for Christmas, right, from my grandpa, right? It's a calendar, baseball calendar for the year. It still says January 1st. I haven't even changed it yet, but it's a baseball calendar for the year. And ask a question, and then it gives you the answer on the next day or whatever. You should probably look at the same day, but it gives you the answer to the question if you don't know it. If you get you get the point, and it also gives you the baseball birthdays of the day. So what's today? January 4th. Let's go to January 4th. Let's see what we got going on here for January 4th. See if you guys can get this without me telling you. Leave the comment down below before I tell you. Name the team that didn't win a World Series while based in 2 different cities. Athletics, Dodgers, Braves, Giants, or Reds. Dodgers, I want to go with. Nah, it's the Cincinnati Reds. Or no. Yeah, it's the Reds. Wait, what? Yeah, the Reds. So, if you guys guessed the Reds, if any of you even bother commenting, which is fine if you didn't. But if any of you did, if you guys guessed the Reds, you're correct. I had no idea, to be honest with you. I do not follow Reds at all. That's like the last team. No offense, but that's probably like the last team I'm going to be following anytime soon, unless they have like some insane team somehow, some way. But yeah, so that's fun. I'll catch you in a little bit. Alright guys, at least that's going to end out today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy. Yeah, thank you guys for all the support lately on the videos. The first 3 videos of 2021 the first 3 videos of 2021 have done really well so far, and that's really exciting. So let's keep it up. Thank you guys so much, and yeah, I'll see you guys next one. Peace out.